Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing, assemble, and showcase the Zephome glass display cabinet. I've actually been wanting a glass display like this for a long time because I really want to appreciate my 3D printed models more. Having them behind glass with proper lighting just makes them look so much cleaner and more premium, so I'm excited for this one. For quick feature highlights, this is the 4-tier glass cabinet. It comes with 60,000 color LED lights. You can control it using the remote or the mobile app, and the one I have here is the white color version. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. The first thing you see is the user manual. Next we have the shelf panels, and these already come with the LED strips pre-installed, which is already nice because it saves lots of setup time. Then inside a separate box, you'll find all the glass panels. We also get the light controllers and the remote packed inside this plastic bag. Here are the 4 legs, labeled P. They also included a pair of gloves for handling the glass safely. All the screws and hardware needed for the installation are here as well. Here we have the power adapter, the light connector and controller, the light remote along with its own manual, and finally the 4 side panels with the glass already installed. Now moving on to the assembly, following the instructions was pretty easy. The illustrations were clear and everything was laid out in order. I do think it would be even better if they added a bit more wording in the manual just to make the steps cleaner, but overall it was still simple to follow. All the hardware already had the holes pre-drilled and the holes lined up perfectly, which made the whole process smooth. I didn't even use my power screwdriver because it was broken at that time, and I still had no issues tightening everything manually. Overall, the assembly experience was smooth and straightforward. Now that the cabinet is done, let's go ahead and install the lights. There are 4 connectors at the back of the cabinet, so make sure you connect those. Now let's remove the plastic on the remote and turn on the light for the first time. The remote reacts right away, there's no lag whatsoever, and it works from roughly 8 to 15 meters. So here it is, it's fully assembled. I already added some of my 3D printed models, and honestly they look so much better inside the glass cabinet with LED lighting. They look clean, organized, and honestly, it looks more premium. Even my wife loves how this looks in the living room, and my 3-year-old son loves watching the color changing modes, especially the cross-fading mode. The LED strip also has a 1-button controller attached to it. Short press to cycle through 7 static colors, 3 color jump modes, and music mode. To turn it off, just long press for 3 seconds. Short press again to turn it back on. To control the light with your phone, you can scan the QR code from the manual to download the app. Once you open the app, it automatically detects the cabinet lights. Now let me show you the color controls. Every time I tap a color here, the cabinet changes immediately. There's literally 0 delay. What I tap is what you see right away. You can choose solid colors, warm tones, cool tones, and pretty much anything. Just above the color presets, there's a brightness slider. You can lower it for a soft ambient glow or slide it all the way up if you want your display to really pop. If you tap the Style tab at the bottom, you'll see a bunch of mode presets in the list. You can just drag up and down to browse through them, and at the bottom, you can adjust the speed and brightness for each mode as well. There's also a music reactive mode. You can choose whether the lights react to the phone's microphone or the LED strip's built-in mic. So if you're playing music in the room, the cabinet will pulse and change colors to the beat. If you tap the music tab at the bottom, you'll see the built-in music player, kind of like an old-school MP3 player. You can pick from their preset tracks and the lights will react to the rhythm automatically. If you tap the menu icon on the top left, you'll see your lamp list. From here, you can connect or disconnect devices, rename them, or manage multiple cabinets. One of my favorite features is the scheduling. You can set the lights to turn on and off automatically. For mine, I set it to turn on at 8 AM and turn off at 12 AM every day. Perfect if you want your display lit during the day but off at night. Overall, I love this cabinet, my wife loves it, and my 3D printed models look special, clean, and premium inside this display. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your setup or showcase your collectibles, this is definitely a solid option. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.